So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a product to the WooCommerce system on the OracleSeries.net site. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add Product here in the Products page. And I could either, when I'm on the Products page, I can click Add Product. I can come over here underneath Products and click Add Product. I can come over here to New and come down and click Product. And these will all take me to the same screen, which is the Add a Product screen. And what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add in a test product. So I'm just going to type in test product. And this is where I would put a description of the product. Then down here, under where it says product settings, you'll need to change the color style to the bottom choice, which is dark glass. And then you'll want to change the ribbon to display the price. Everything else can stay the way it is. Nothing else there needs to be changed. The only other thing that needs to be changed right here is where it says image settings. This needs to be changed from image to link so that when people click on the image, instead of instead of the image popping up in a light box, they'll actually go to the product page. If you don't select link on that, unfortunately, they won't go to the product page. It will just take when they hover over the image, and I mean this area right here. When they're hovering over this and they click this, it won't actually go to the product page. It will just bring a light box up with this image is all it will do. So you want to make sure to change that to link, and that's what we'll do. We'll take care of that. So once we've done all of that down here, we need to go ahead and give our product an SKU, and I'm just going to give this an SKU of test product, and you can give the product any SKU you want. It just must be a unique SKU, which means it cannot be used twice in the system anywhere. It won't allow you to save the product if you do. And in fact, you don't even have to give the product an SKU to save it, but it's a very good idea to give the product an SKU. It's very, very important. Some areas of the system, when they display things, if there's not an SKU on the product, it won't display correctly. So you'll always want to be sure to give your product an SKU. The advanced section and the attributes section is where we actually get if we're dealing with variable products. But I'm just going to show you how to add a simple product here. I'm just going to go ahead and give it a price of $10. Now, if it is a downloadable product, you will need to select this, and then you can go and choose a file for them to download. And also, if it's a virtual product that is like a downloadable product that's not shipped, you'll want to select virtual. If you don't select virtual, then it will offer them the ability to ship that product. So you can, at the same time, if you're selling something that is partially a downloadable product as well as partial is going to be shipped, that's fine. Just mark downloadable and give them the file to download here, and they will still be charged shipping. But if it is just a product that they're going to download, be sure to select both downloadable so that you will be able to select a file, and then select virtual so that there is no shipping charges charged to the product whatsoever. So any type of ebook whatsoever, you would want to put both downloadable and virtual on. So once you've done that, then all you need to do is come up here, and there's a couple of images you'll need to add. You'll need to set a featured image, and the featured image should be at least 515 pixels wide by about 280, 290 pixels tall. The perfect size are these hero cutouts right here. This is the perfect size for the featured image, just to let you know. Just absolutely ideal size right there. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there, and then I'm going to add a product gallery image, which is going to be a square image. It doesn't really so much matter what the size is. What matters is that it's a square image. I certainly wouldn't go any less than 500 by 500 pixels in that image, but it needs to be a square image, and I'm going to go ahead and show you why. And I think I will just go ahead and use this one right here. I don't think there is another. Oh, here we go. Here's 1024 by 1024. I'm going to go ahead and use that one and select that in there. Okay, so I've selected a featured image and a product gallery image. Now I need to go ahead and give it a category, and I'm just going to go ahead and give it a category of Oracle Series, and I can also give it a category of Oracle Merchandise. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Publish. Now, once I publish this product, I can go ahead and I'm going to open this up in a new tab so that I can view the product. And now I'll see the product here, and I will see that over here we have our image of the Oracle Series book right there, the one that we uploaded to the product gallery. And then we have the ability to add a test product to the cart right here and the description of the product. And people can make comments via Disqus and add reviews and also add ratings to the product. Okay, great. So what about the first image we uploaded? Well, the first image we uploaded is what gets shown out here. And let this go ahead and reload. And there we are. And I will come over here to the product. That gets shown right here. That's the image that gets shown right here. So that's why those two images are different. The image that you're going to see here on the inside is going to be this image right here. And this image that you're going to see here when people are looking through the product catalog, and not the product page, but the product catalog, that's going to be the featured image right here. So that's why you do need to upload two images per product. One will be the featured image, which will be a wide image, and you're going to want to go about 515 pixels wide, and this is about 280, 290 pixels tall. And then this is just a square image. The size is flexible, but I wouldn't go under 500 by 500 because it will look pretty grainy on Retina screens if you do. So I've got that product in there, but that's a test product. I don't really want that in there. So if I want to delete that product or get rid of that product or send that product to the trash, I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to go ahead and just click trash, and that's going to go ahead and send that product to the trash. So in this system, though, there is a lot more complex products than the one I just created. That's just how you create a simple, basic product that'll have the standard shipping of $4 for the first item, $2 each additional item added to it. You know, that is that simple method of doing that. In the next video, though, I'm going to take you through the inputting in and duplicating the more complex product here. We have what's known as a variable product, which, because this is both a downloadable and a tangible item that will need to be shipped, creating this particular type of product is a little bit more in depth, but I'm going to show you in the next video a very simple and very quick way to do just that.